absolutely very happy with this heater. Um, Now when you first get it, like for a little bit, it has kind of a smell, like a plasticky kind of smell, probably because it's new. But so you turn this one, it's got just 3 settings. Turn this one on. This just has um, the log looking effect. It's very calming, looks really nice. This is low, so you can hear that the fan does not bother me at all. And then this is high. Now I will tell you, I keep it on low, 600 watts, and my whole entire...
Super cute. Not too loud. Throws off a lot of heat, and it has 3 settings: plain, low, and high. It keeps my apartment real warm. Love this.
So as you can tell, in 15 seconds, it shuts off 5.
He further asked if you would extend the same favor on our Vice President, Kamala D. Harris, and our Second General, Doug Kim.
Really pretty.
Not his phone.